I'm not Miss Julie.
And I'm not Miss Amber. I'm actually Miss Autumn.
And I'm actually Miss Morgan.
And this is Seaside Chats.
Today we'll be talking about college and what it's like to have a stellar roommate.
Oh,
and
thanks.
how to, live on campus.
So to let y'all know, we were roommates, so we did live together. So us being this close is A-okay.
We're still going to keep our masks on though.
For safety reasons.
So moving into the dorm, we had a pretty easy time. The school sectioned out time for us to move in, so that was nice. We had a scheduled arrival date that we could just bring all of our stuff and start to get to live in.
It's probably going to be really helpful if you take maybe a week ahead of time to plan what you want to bring to school to make sure you have everything, and you're not going to buy everything last minute at like the expensive local store, which I ended up having to do because I didn't have the Seaside Chats to tell me what not to do.
So some things that you should bring to school, definitely your clothes. People want to see you with your clothes on.
True.
You want to bring some stuff that makes it feel a little homey in your dorm. So I brought my little astronaut that I got from summer with Miss Julie, and I placed it on my desk. It felt like a little reminder of home every time I looked at it when I was doing my homework or reading a book. You want to bring like a full-length body mirror, toiletries, definitely, some decorations for your little bathroom area, just some stuff to make it feel more like you're comfortable and at home.
My biggest recommendation is a rug. Because at some points in time, I was very lazy to climb up on my bed, so I just ended up on the floor, and it was comfy.
Mm-hmm. A nice throw blanket, too, in the situation that Autumn had would be nice.
Yeah, it was cold. I'm a small person, I create small body heat, so it worked out.
So once you're in your dorm, you want to find ways to stay nice and healthy.
We went to the gym maybe once or twice a week, and then we did yoga as well. The school offered a lot of free opportunities for us to stay healthy, like a free membership to the gym. Our particular school had a rock climbing wall, which we really enjoyed, as well as free classes like bar and cardio classes.
Mm-hmm. When we went to the store, we made sure to buy healthy foods instead of majorly junk foods.
Except for when it's buy one, get one. That's okay because it's a sale. We want to look out for the sales as well.
You want to save money in college too because it runs out quick.
Very true.
There were also options to eat on campus, so like a meal plan. We both did not do the meal plan because it was determined by Autumn's lovely mother that it was not worth it to do the meal plan.
However, you eat a lot to do the meal plan.
Yes, there are a lot of pros to the meal plan. You can socialize at the cafeteria, so it's a little bit difficult to meet new people in college. So when you have that meal plan and you can go into the cafeteria and eat with new people and discover new things, it's helpful to maintain your social life. But if you don't have a meal plan, you definitely do have options around campus. There's fast food places. We ate a lot at Jimmy John's.
Jimmy John's is very good.
Very good
Freaky
sandwiches.
Fast.
Yes, Freaky Fast as well.
So if you want to socialize and you don't have the meal plan, a good way to do that is to get involved in a lot of different clubs. I think our school has like 200 different clubs or something like that. It's got pretty much anything for everybody. There's an ASL club, there's art clubs, and then you have like the music students do their thing. So if you have anything that you're interested in, there's definitely something that you can look for. At the beginning of the year, most schools will do a little showcase to show you what they have, and be sure to check that out because there's also probably free food, taking back to the you will be broke at one point.
So using these clubs can be a good way to keep your mental health steady. I know that I struggled a little bit with that, so just maintaining a regular schedule and actually going to yoga did help me, as Autumn mentioned earlier, and having a great roommate, letting them understand that you may have problems, how to deal with that, and make sure you have a plan ready for an emergency in case that happens. You have your crisis response plan. So just a phone number of someone you can always call, always text, someone to rely on. a way to calm down, something nice to think about, and someone to talk to when you're going through stuff. But overall, the college campuses have very helpful resources to help you maintain your mental health. UCF had a CAPS program, so Counseling and Psychology Services, and you can go in there and talk to a therapist, just walk in. I'm sure most schools have something similar.
And a lot of times it will be free of charge to the student, that you're already paying for this part of your tuition and fees. So be sure to take advantage of that. And if you're not struggling with mental health, be sure to look out for your friends that are. Like if you see your roommate is having an off day, well, go buy her a pint of ice cream and then be like, hey, let's go to the health services place and see what's going on. Do you have anything else that you want to warn first-year students about?
Many people don't enjoy taking morning classes.
That's true. If you're not a morning person, admit it. It's okay. If you are, that's cool. You'll be done by noon. But if you're not, sleep in. We'd rather you be happy than grumpy.
And I think that's it for campus life.
Thank you for joining us for Seaside Chats today. Maybe we'll see you next time, or maybe Miss Julia and Miss Amber will be back. Bye.
Bye.